Gantry is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of a large, overhead crane system to move heavy materials and equipment around a factory or warehouse. The gantry system typically consists of a horizontal beam supported by two or more vertical legs, which can be moved along a track or rail system. The beam is equipped with a hoist or other lifting device that can be used to lift and move heavy objects, such as large machinery, raw materials, or finished products. Gantry systems are commonly used in manufacturing facilities to improve efficiency and productivity by allowing workers to move heavy materials and equipment quickly and safely. They are particularly useful in industries such as automotive, aerospace, and construction, where large and heavy objects need to be moved frequently. Gantry systems can also be used to transport materials and equipment between different areas of a factory or warehouse, reducing the need for manual labor and improving overall efficiency. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the design and production of custom material handling equipment, including gantry systems. The company has over 50 years of experience in the industry and has built a reputation for delivering high-quality products and services to its customers. Berkness Company's gantry systems are designed to meet the specific needs of each customer, with options for different sizes, capacities, and lifting devices. If you are interested in learning more about gantry systems or other material handling equipment, you can visit the Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website. The company's experienced team of engineers and technicians can provide you with more information about their products and services, as well as help you determine the best solution for your specific needs. With their expertise and commitment to customer satisfaction, Berkness Company is a trusted partner for businesses in a wide range of industries. FAQs. 1. What is a gantry in manufacturing? A gantry in manufacturing is a type of overhead crane that is used to move heavy loads within a factory or warehouse. It consists of a horizontal beam that is supported by two or more legs, which can be fixed or mobile. The beam is typically fitted with a hoist or trolley that can move along its length, allowing it to lift and transport heavy objects. 2. What are the advantages of using a gantry in manufacturing? There are several advantages to using a gantry in manufacturing. Firstly, it allows for the efficient movement of heavy loads, which can help to speed up production processes and reduce the risk of injury to workers. Secondly, it can be used to transport materials and products over long distances, which can be particularly useful in large factories or warehouses. Finally, gantries can be customized to suit specific manufacturing requirements, such as the size and weight of the loads being moved. 3. What are the different types of gantries used in manufacturing? There are several different types of gantries used in manufacturing, including single-girder gantries, double-girder gantries, and semi-gantry cranes. Single-girder gantries are the most common type and are typically used for lighter loads. Double-girder gantries are used for heavier loads and have two parallel beams that are supported by four legs. Semi-gantry frames are similar to single-girder gantries but have one end supported by a leg and the other end supported by a wall or column. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.